Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to Study Miss channel. It's been so long, and after a long time I'm shooting the vlog. Actually, all the vlogs and all the videos I've been uploading for the past few days are the oldest videos I've done shooting. So now only I got time to edit, and I plan to stay consistent. That's why I am uploading all the videos now, because I have to clean up my storage as well. And yeah, today I am going to Ikea with my family in Hyderabad. So let's go.
के घर जाऊंगी और हम दोनों मिलकर एक कपल की तरह राज की शादी में जाएंगे।
So finally, I'm here at IKEA. Many times I planned to go there, and it locked down. I think for 3 to 4 months I was there in Hyderabad, but IKEA was closed. And a few other times when I came to Hyderabad also, I didn't get to go to IKEA. And finally, we went there because I wanted to see and all the things. When I was in Chennai, I used to redecorate every other time my room, my flat, and yeah, I used to order everything on Amazon and here or else Home Center, but here things are so very reasonable prices. All these things are like at least 30 to 40% prices are higher at Home Center or Amazon. I felt these are looking cute as well, like it's giving Korean vibes and aesthetic vibes, and the lamps are so amazing. All the study lamps and desks and all the room decor ideas, and these are for kids' rooms. Everything was so cute, and I was just window shopping, and my sister was buying some kitchen stuff. And yeah, these are all the organizers. I'll just walk you through the IKEA, but here you can literally get everything. But some products I felt um, little costlier. You can get some you can get all these products on some Instagram pages as well. Some like decor products, not everything. But overall, the mirrors are looking so cute and are on a great price, I can say. Yeah, my first IKEA experience was so good, and I was just daydreaming when I get to purchase my home. I will be decorating like this, I will be decorating like that, I will do interiors, and in between Ashrit's naughtiness, I was carrying him around, and yeah, he was so naughty, he was just hitting everything. We were so scared that he's gonna break things. Thank God he didn't break anything. And yeah, it was a great day. All the furniture and all the stuff is here. You have to come and choose the number which you want. Look at Ashley, it's so cute. He was just playing with the dabba, and then me and my brother-in-law went to get some food because after roaming all over IKEA, you will definitely get hungry and you will end up eating a lot. And many people are there at the food court. I don't know, people are coming here for shopping or just for the food court. One of my friends also said that they'll just go to IKEA just for food. And yeah, food was okay, but the prices are I can say reasonable. Like other than cafes or some other posh restaurants, here the food was same and the prices are little reasonable only. And the coffee thing I liked, it's unlimited. You can just take one cup coffee and you can fill how many times ever you want. And as usual, South Indian middle class techniques. We just took one coffee mug, and my sister, me, and my mom, three times we drank. Yeah, that was an amazing day, and Ashrit enjoyed a lot, and me enjoyed a lot. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Look at the other, like, next few minutes clip. You will enjoy that.
This is not yours.